Yl-569c type OI-made MD training equipment introduction. The unit consists of an electric set control unit and electric set. The electric set control unit adopts the three-dimensional structure to conform to the real numerical control electrical installation. Mainly includes the numerical control system, control panel, servo drive, input-output unit and air interface, control unit, protection circuit, power circuit, and set the installation practice unit adopts the mesh plate structure can be repeatedly used. The original is installed on the mesh panel and the installation plan can be designed according to the requirements of the training program. It can be connected with the electrical control unit through the air plug interface, which is mainly used for the repeated training or motor installation.